Good morning students. Now we have start chapter 4. Next topic, highest common factor. Look at this. The HCF of two or more numbers is the greatest number among their common factors. Note, HCF is also called GCD, greatest common divisor. Okay student, let us find the HCF of two numbers by using paper cutting. Okay, let us take two numbers, says 24 and 26. Look here. Cut out another strip of length 16 units using pink color grid paper. Observe that the part of the blue strip that has been cut is of length 8 units. It is smaller than the pink strip, which is of length 16 units. Okay student, now place the smaller cut out strip blue along with the larger cut out strip pink and cut out of the extra paper. Repeat the activity till both the strip pink and blue are equal. 8 units pink and blue. Blue strip 24 units, pink strips 16 units. Therefore, the HCF of two numbers 24 and 16 is pink and blue 8 units. 8. Methods of finding HCF: common factor method, prime factor method, and division method. Common factor method. In this method, we find all the common factors of the numbers and then find the greatest common factor amongst them. Okay? For example, find the HCF of 15 and 45. Find the HCF of 15 and 45. Now we find the factor of 45. Look, and 15 factor is now let us find the common factors is 1, 3, 5. The common factor is 15. The largest common factor becomes the HCF. Hence, HCF is equal to 15. Okay. Example, find the HCF of 24 and 44. We first express 24 as the product of its prime numbers. We now express 44 as the product of its prime numbers. Look, 24, factor of 24, 2 12 is 24, 2 6 is 12, 2 3 is 6. Factor of 24 is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3, and factor of 44 is 22, 2 is 44, 11 2 is 22, or 11 is 11. Factor of 44 equal to 2 multiply 11. Okay student. Now we find the common prime factors. 24, factor of 24 is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3, and factor of 44 is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 11. Common factor is 2. Now HCF equal to 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4. Okay. Now third method, division method. Steps: divide the larger number by the smaller one. Second, divide the divisor by the remainder. Third, repeat the same process until the remainder is 0. The last divisor is the SCF. For example, find the SCF of 66 and 110. Look, 66 1 is 66, remainder 44. 44 1 is 44, remainder 22. 22 2 is 44, remainder is 0. SCF is equal to last divisor equal to 22. Okay. Next topic, co-prime numbers. Two numbers which do not have any common factor other than 1 are called co-prime numbers. Their SCF is 1. Okay student. Now example 28 and 45. Factor of 28 is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 7. Factor of 45 is equal to 3 multiply 3 multiply 5. Since 28 and 45 have no common factor, they are co-prime numbers. Okay. Now next topic, least common multiples. Look at this. This ice cream vendor comes on the day that are the multiple of 4. This balloon seller comes on the days that are the multiple of 3. One day they both came together. Can you tell the days when both of them will come together again? The ice cream vendor comes on following days 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and 24. The balloon sellers come on following days 3rd, 6th, 9th, 12, 15, 18, 21 and 24. Okay. We can see that days 12, 24, 36 are common to both. Hence both the vendors will come together again on the following days 12, 24 and so on. Multiples of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24 and so on. And multiples of 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 and so on. Common multiples is, look, 12 and 24 is the common multiples and so on. The LCM is 12. Okay. Methods of finding LCM. Divided into 3 parts: common multiple method, prime factor method and common divisor method. Okay. Common multiple method, look at this. In this method we find all the common multiples of the numbers and then find the least common multiple amongst them. For example, find the LCM of 12 and 16. Multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108 and so on. And multiples of 16 are 16, 32, 48, 64, 80, 96, 112, 128 and so on. Common multiples are, look at this, 48 and 96 common multiples. So LCM of 12 and 16 is equal to 48. Okay student. Second is prime factor method. Look, in this method we express each number as the product of prime factors. The LCM is the product of highest powers of each prime factor. Okay? For example, find the LCM of 24 and 44. We first express 24 as a product of its prime numbers. We now express 44 as a product of its prime numbers. Look, factor of 24, 12 to the 24, 2 6 ja 12, 2 3 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3. Factor of 24, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3, and factor of 44 is 22 multiply 2 is equal to 44, 11 2 ja 22, 11 1 ja 11. Factor of 44 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 11. Okay. Now we will find the greatest power of each common prime factor. Look, 24 is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 and 44 is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 11. The greatest power of the 44, 11. Now LCM is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 11. This is 264. Okay. Now we will find the greatest power of each common prime factors. Look, LCM equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 11 is equal to 264. Last is common divisor method. In this method we divide each of the numbers with their prime divisor until we get 1. The LCM is the product of all the prime divisor. For example, find the LCM of 66 and 110. Look, factor of 66 and 110, LCM is 2 multiply 11 multiply 3 multiply 5 is equal to 330. Okay. Okay, student.